xDuoo, they have just released another product. Now, this is the company's latest digital music transport. Now, the model we're looking at is the DP10. They have come back to release something that can make audiophiles a lot happier than their previous products. So now this DP10, they've designed it to be the ultimate solution for high resolution audios setup in many customer space at this moment in time, because it has multiple functionalities. Now, the first thing you have to understand is that this device or player in general have pre-installed applications. It even has music casting ability. It can play music from your local drive, and even offers Bluetooth support, playback support. Now, it offers pure digital output in the form of USB out, HDMI, coaxial. It's loaded also with Android 14 OS. The interface is even optimized for music streaming, and as well as just your regular music playback. It supports high resolution audio, PCM, DSD5, DSD audio signals. This is easy for it to do and handle. The one thing you need to understand is that this is not a cheap music player. It is $1,000. You have to pay $1,000 to be able to buy this model. It's a beast. It comes with a 5.5-inch HD touchscreen display. It will help you explore the different functionalities and features of the device itself. Like I said, Android 14 is what is running this, which is one of the newer Androids that you can find on music players. It has a very easy interface to work with, and it's very smooth. The processor in here is decent enough. The DP10 can work with a variety of DACs and as well as amplifiers out there. Like I said, supports high resolution audio, 32-bit, 768 kilohertz. It even supports DSD 512. Now, once you get this model, it can serve as your music streamer. It has a versatile storage option that can even hold memory card slots up to 4 terabytes. That's something that you get with this model, but internally you're getting a 65 gigabyte storage. That's what you're getting inside. And it also supports external hard drives if connected to it. It will allow music lovers to connect up their hard drives and play as much music as possible. It can even cast. It has casting support. It supports Apple AirPlay. It supports QPlay applications. It's very well spec'd out in many respects. In many respects. So one thing I will say for sure is that this model will allow you to enjoy the best of both worlds in many ways, because it even supports LDAC, it supports aptX HD, it supports Bluetooth 5.4. It's fully spec'd out, even with a dedicated USB port. In fact, users can play or rip CDs through additional CD players. So this is what makes it $1,000 in price tag. So I'm going to drop all the necessary information for you guys down below so you can check it out. Do subscribe to the channel, do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.